Let's have a quick look at how we can transfer files from the remote server to our local machine. One of the programs that we can use is CyberDuck, that is now available for both for Windows and for Mac OS. You can download it from the website. Then we can open it as any other application. Then we can create a new connection. And as usual, we need three things: our server address, our username, and our password. It's important also to select the correct protocol, that in our case is not FTP, but SFTP, SSH File Transfer Protocol. Now that we have a new connection, we can double click on it. The first time we will get the user warning, and voila, we can see our remote server in this window, and we can drag and drop files from and to our remote server.